Some of the most common ingredients in American cuisine include beef. Beef is a popular meat in American cuisine and is often used in dishes such as hamburgers and steaks. Seafood. Seafood is also a staple of American cuisine, with fish such as salmon, tuna, and cod being commonly used in dishes. Grains. Grains such as wheat, corn, and rice are commonly used in American cuisine, with bread, pasta, and rice dishes being popular. Cheese. Cheese is a popular ingredient in American cuisine and is used in dishes such as pizza, macaroni and cheese, and cheeseburgers. Regional varieties. American cuisine varies by region, with each region having its own specialties. Some of the most popular regional dishes include New England clam chowder. New England clam chowder is a creamy soup that is a specialty of the New England region. It is made with clams, potatoes, and cream. Southern fried chicken. Southern fried chicken is a classic dish that is a specialty of the southern United States. The chicken is seasoned with a mixture of herbs and spices and then fried until crispy and golden brown. Chicago-style deep dish pizza. Chicago-style deep dish pizza is a pizza that is characterized by its thick crust and deep dish. The pizza is typically layered with cheese, sauce, and toppings such as sausage, mushrooms, and peppers. Tex-Mex. Tex-Mex is a style of cuisine that is popular in the southwestern United States. It is characterized by its use of Mexican ingredients such as tortillas, beans, and cheese, but with a twist of American influences such as ground beef and cheddar cheese. Cajun and Creole. Cajun and Creole cuisine is a fusion of French, African, and Native American influences that is popular in the southern United States. Dishes such as gumbo and jambalaya are known for their bold flavors and use of seafood, sausage, and spices. Conclusion. In conclusion, American cuisine is a diverse and ever-evolving culinary tradition that has been shaped by various cultures and influences throughout history. With its use of fresh and flavorful ingredients, American cuisine offers a wide variety of dishes that reflect the country's geography, history, and cultural influences. From fast food to regional specialties, American cuisine is a culinary adventure that is well worth exploring. If you're interested in trying American cuisine, there are many traditional dishes that you can try at home. One of the most famous dishes, hamburgers, is easy to make with just a few ingredients. To make hamburgers, you'll need ground beef, lettuce, tomato, onion, and condiments such as ketchup and mustard. Form the ground beef into patties and grill or fry until cooked through. Then, serve the patties on a bun with the vegetables and condiments. Another traditional American dish is macaroni and cheese. To make macaroni and cheese, you'll need macaroni pasta, cheese, milk, and butter. Cook the pasta according to the package directions and then drain. In a separate pan, melt butter and then add milk and cheese. Mix the cheese sauce with the cooked pasta and then bake in the oven until the top is golden brown. If you're interested in learning more about American cuisine, there are many resources available. American cookbooks and online recipes are widely available, and many cooking shows and blogs specialize in American cuisine.